Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and welcome to my channel. And this is part 3 of a large Temu haul that I got, and I have spread it over the last week or so. So I wanted to show you some clothing. I do have other packages that have arrived or are coming, so I will have more Temu hauls. I am trying on clothes in this one, and I wanted to tell you a few things about it. Well, Temu, if you don't know Temu, I am not an affiliate or anything. There's lots of channels that are. If you need to know an affiliate, if you shop under an affiliate, they will get money. So ask me if you want to shop. I'll be happy to give you a few names of creators that I know that are affiliates. Some I'll have to ask because I know some are becoming affiliates. I do have a code if it's your first time shopping for 30% off. I don't know how long that code will still work. Because I'm not an affiliate, I'm not going to be an affiliate. So, but I asked my person from Temu, and they said I could still use the code for now. So that will be in the title, and it'll be in the description. And again, if you want to shop under somebody, I don't know if they just get money from you the first time you shop. I really don't know all the rules of being an affiliate. But I wanted to tell you just a little bit about Temu. They have absolutely everything. Temu is a clearinghouse, for lack of a better word. I don't know exactly what you would call it. It's like a big shop. And then it's almost like, I don't want to say yard sale, but, or not yard sale, what am I trying to say? Those kind of shops where you go in and then there's booths, and then each booth is owned by somebody else. That's how Temu is. Everything that you see is owned by a company, and they're showing their product, whatever the case may be. Clothing, in the case of this video, it'll be clothing. And it's like Amazon. Amazon has some of their own products, but then they also, like I could sell on Amazon if I had something to sell. Does that I hope that makes sense to y'all that buy from Amazon. You know what I'm talking about. So Temu is like that, and their prices are dirt cheap. So they're keeping the middleman out. They're making, they don't need to make as much money to make a profit. So they're selling things to us very inexpensively. I will tell you this, that in my try-on video, I have put a little weight on, y'all, but I still, it's more in my middle than anywhere else. I wear, depends on the blouse. I wear generally, the place that I shop at normally is called Cato, and I wear a 1820. And I also can wear a 14-16. It depends on the cut of the blouse. In slacks, I can wear an extra large or a size 16. It depends on the cut of the slacks. That's why I'm very bad at buying slacks over the internet. I have to try things on. So what I did was, to be on the safe side with the clothing that I've received so far, I've gotten a 3X because they show the 3X is an 18. So that's what I've been doing, and that seems to be working well for me. So I do suggest that when you're looking at clothing, first of all, you can maybe find the same thing, different pricing. So look for the best price, and then also read the reviews, because people will review and say, that it fits according to size, or it's a little tight, or it's a little big or something. And then you'll know if you need to adjust your size, okay? I'm very sweaty from trying things on, so I apologize for this look. All right, here are the clothes. Okay, y'all, I hope you can hear me. I'm not much for trying things on, as you know. But this was $7.38. It's a very nice work top. This is small. If I film vertically, it doesn't fit on YouTube. So I can't, well, let me see. I'm trying to show you this. It's like a high-low. See, it's a little bit lower in the back. Can you see that? And I'm just wearing black pants with everything. I did get these pants from Temu also, but I forgot to look up the price. I'll try to remember for next time. It's a nice work blouse. It is, I'd say this is probably nylon, rayon, something like that. And I would wear probably a cami under it. But if you can see the nice design to it, it's pretty. And I'm very, very warm from trying clothes on. So please, I apologize for the way I look, y'all. All right, y'all, this one was let me see, I have it right here. This was $10.79. And it's a little different of a collar, which is nice, something a little different. And yeah, I've gained a little COVID weight, lockdown weight, and I haven't taken it off. Since Buddy's not around to walk, that's how I got my exercise, and I don't really do it very well. This is longer, but it's the same all the way around. It has some little tucking on the back, or pin tucking, is that what they call that? So, and then these are, the pants I got were, I have it right here, $6.38. They're a heavy, you can't see them at all. They're just black. They're like a wide leg, and they do go to my, below my ankles. They don't have pockets. They have a little striping to it, a little, I'll try to show you these afterwards, okay? Because I'm not gonna pull my blouse up. They're just elastic waist, easy to put on, super cheap, and they're a little warm for this weather, so they're better for wintertime. Y'all, I filmed everything, and I did it backwards. I turned on the camera when I wasn't filming. Okay, anyway, this one was $9.89, and it's a t-shirt style. It's t-shirt, you can see. And it came in several different prints. This was the print that I like the best. It's just a nice t-shirt style and long, so I like that long. You know, like tunic style. Do they call that tunic style? So that's that one. This one, y'all, is super cute. I found this one for $4.25. I'm sorry, my camera is not quite right. Like I said, I filmed these, and then I did it all backwards. So this came in several different colors. I think it came in white, not my color. Came in yellow, not my color. So the gray I picked, and I think I got this also with a flower print on the sleeve. We'll see that in a different video, because I do have more packages. So this is just super, super cute. And I don't remember now if there was different sleeves. I think in the category where I got this, this is what it was. But I think you could find it with different sleeves. Does that make sense? And it has this cute fringe that matches the sleeves on the bottom as well. And it's long. There's no tag in this one at the back, so I wasn't sure what was the back, and I put it on, and I had to put it the other. You can tell immediately that I had it on wrong, but I thought it was cute. All right, this one, y'all, it's a t-shirt, and it has this. Let me get up close to show you. It has this cute neckline. You can button these or not, and it has, the sleeves are a little pin tucked or whatever, just a little tuck, to give it a little bit of a, I don't know, rolled a little bit. And this came in several colors as well. I can't find the pricing on this one, y'all. I have printed all my emails, but I can't find it. So, but I didn't pay. For a t-shirt, I'm sure I paid under $10 for it. And it came in different colors. I don't remember all the colors. Okay, again, it is cute. All right, y'all. So on the slacks, I just wanted to show you them up close. There's, do you call that ribbing? Can you see that? It's a heavy, this is a winter slack for me. It's an elastic waist, a nice wide elastic waistband, which is nice. These are a little, they fit me. They're all right. They're a little big. And these are an 18, so they're a 3X. I would think if I got slacks again, I might try going to the 2X on the slack, okay? And then this top, I did show you I was wearing. I can't find the price on this one. I'm sorry, y'all. But it being a t-shirt, I know I didn't pay more than $10 for it. And like I said before, if you see something like that gray blouse that I had on, I saw that for maybe $12, $13, different pricing like that. And then as I kept scrolling, or I fill my cart and then come back a little while later, there may be a discount on it or something, and I got that gray top with the cute sleeves for $4.25. So, and then I also got this, but I wasn't gonna try it on for y'all. This is a night shirt, and it is, I like a cottony kind of night shirt. This is more of a, it's very silky and soft. But this is, I like a night shirt, so this goes to maybe right above or below, right above my knees. I don't like them too long, So see how that, and this again, I got this in a 3X, which is an 18, and it does fit me well, and it just was cute. It has the cat on it. And this came in just a bunch of colors. And this one, I do have the price, this was $8.08. So it came in all kinds of pricing. Oh, you know what? On this one, I bought a 4X, which is a 20. I'm looking at my receipt, and because I like to, I don't like anything tight when I'm sleeping. So, and when I tried it on, it fit me just fine. So, I do like things loose, so I don't like things tight. So I went with the 20. So, okay. So, you know, we all know that 4X is a bigger size here. I don't know what number is it, 22 or 24, I don't know. But so you have to watch that. But that's generally what I see is the 3X is 18, the 4X is 20. That's generally what I saw on the blouses. So, okay. And they have beautiful dresses and all kinds of things. So that is my clothing Temu haul for this part. This is part 3 of this particular box. I got a big giant box. And then I do have some other hauls that I have received, and I'll be going over, you know, soon. And in some of them, I might have one blouse or something here and there. So I may collect the tops and do another one of these types of videos, you know, when I get that stuff all unboxed. Thanks for stopping by, y'all, and count your blessings. And again, if you need to know anybody that's an affiliate because you want to shop under them, let me know. They do, you know, I've heard that the program is not necessarily, you can't necessarily make a lot of money because so many people can do it, but I'd rather support somebody than not when I shop if I'm able to. So if you want to, just let me know. Okay, thank y'all. Count your blessings. Take care. Bye-bye.